Hello. So I have a new unboxing video. It's a faceless unboxing video, but I have here my new QMay doll from Taiwan. Binili nila Step at saka ni Steve, and it has a little penguin. But for the unboxing right now, I have the new Pop Bean classic demo na Mickey and Friends. So, I got 2 packs from Shopee. I ordered last Friday and it got here Monday. So, it's already Thursday. Pero ngayon ko pa lang sila i-unbox. Yeah. And then, meron siyang 15 na designs. And then, may 3 na secret. So, hopefully walang duplicate kasi dalawa lang yung binili ko. So, we'll see. I'll open this first. 1, 2, 3. It's individually packed. Para siyang candy, parang chocolate. So, cannot feel kung ano siya. Anyway, we'll open this first. Let me just get this para makita natin kung ano makukuha. So, we'll open first. 1, 2, 3. Oh! So, eto. This is Goofy. Yes. Cutie. Lagyan natin siya dyan. Second one. It's Donald. Huh? Is it Donald? Dewey Duck. Dewey Duck siya. Ayan. Cutie. Then, next. Open. Ew, it's a standing one. It's Mickey TV. Ooh, cute one. Ay, ano yung tumayo? Anyway, so we got 3 different ones, and then we'll open the last pack. So, 3 yung laman niya. It's 350 pesos in price. So, no duplicates, please. No, it's the same. Yung standing. This is Mickey TV again. Yeah. Next, no duplicates, please. Oh no, it's the same. Bakit naman? Dewey Duck again. Last one. Oh, this one is different. So it's this one's Goofy. Ah no, this one. Wait. This one, ito si ito si Goofy. Ano ba? Tapos sino to? I think this is the Goofy na secret. Tama ba? What do you think? Anyway, I only got 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, duplicate yung dalawa. Yeah, I think secret yung isa. Ito, oh. Not sure if kita siya sa screen. This one. Kamukha, diba? Okay, so these are my new pop beans. Thanks naman. I will check yung sinend ni Step kung meron akong pwedeng i-trade. Anyway, sabi ang kalat. That's it. Bye-bye.